Need invoicing software that's simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for pros? Bill.com might still be the easiest invoicing platform in 2025. Bill.com focuses on making invoicing and bill payments straightforward. You can create, send, and track invoices in minutes, and clients can pay online through multiple methods: ACH, card, or check. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, showing you outstanding invoices, payment status, and due dates at a glance. In 2025, it integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, so you don't have to juggle multiple systems. It also supports approval workflows for teams, making it great for small businesses scaling up. Pricing is higher than bare bones invoicing apps, but you're paying for automation and time savings. If you want invoicing that's fast, accurate, and headache free, Bill.com is still one of the top picks for 2025.